How to get Microsoft Copilot on an iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to get Microsoft Copilot on an iPhone. Sometimes we need extra help on our phone, and Microsoft Copilot is a great AI assistant that can answer questions, write content, and even help with ideas. If you want to use it on your iPhone, here's how you can get it. First, open the App Store on your iPhone from the home screen. Then, in the search bar at the top, now, type Copilot and press search. Here, from the list of results, find Microsoft Copilot. Then, tap on it to open its app page. Now tap on the Get button, and if asked, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After that, the app will start downloading, and you can see the progress on your screen. Once the installation is finished, tap on Open to launch Copilot. Now, on the first screen, you can start typing anything in the search box to try it right away. Then, to unlock full features, tap on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Here, you will see 3 options: continue with Microsoft, Apple, or Google. Now, select the option that matches the account you want to use. Next, enter your email, phone number, or Skype ID to log in. If you don't have an account, tap on Create One and follow the setup steps. Here, you can enter your phone number, or choose to sign up with your email instead. After completing the sign up or login, your Copilot app will be ready to use on your iPhone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.